you so much for that beautiful requests. Na mwabere mwochi saba chonsi kama terayo unaberga kuwochira gabo. Zile ni miongoni mwa zile umeitisha. Mwasaba chiyo kindo onsi pipa kwa Yoshua wa Kiarabi Ministers kwa Tamilia ya Nyamira Westfield na mnatobeke kwa nilikupa ni ahadi kwamba ngo kwa missions reading to aikodire bonande to minyokiria materake to so sense miracle kwa the youth the church aiga nago tebinga I'm trying to bring in gusiengima bnanko nyara bagere eberega tukwanire igoro ensemo yabasaye asikanisa nensemo yabasaye asugutulika kwa bono semo ya Bible nereri nensemo itumuna basaye nereri nagekarango kwariga ne bono iga karutoka ndamo na barabo ase mugasoyo iga pakachinga gichi turikira SMS ase 0 7 2 6 4 4 7 3 6 7 0726 44 73 67 hata simu bado namba hiyo erase TV yao nero ogwaka kama unataka kuuliza if you want to comment that is the same number ogwaka aiga ase studio karokoboria Gatembe FM nero Facebook account yaito ase YouTube account yaito egere Gatembe TV and FM na ukonyora bono iga one on one no turigalia ndika ujumbe wako pale tutakuwa tunausoma usebu na turawe tukulire kurchinga kichiga smile kama vijana wazee acha kukaza ngome kurugabo twensi na karakota itogende amo twensi Kariri na Wilfred wanahakikisha kwamba chibichechi mtienda takuwochera buya na kiregento ego na togoya na bwentro toendagira tuli lakini nenda SMS chino I am very happy finally Gatembe TV na shika Kilifi and then Eunice Nyamoita from Kilifi Central please play for me see yule wa zamani Eunice oyega Nyamoita kana kurauka bwatete kayuni hiyo mambo iko sawa and then uninsi bwatete twatenga Zuku channel number 38 andons asorongoro Africa ya mocha chinsi sano na isato chinse 8 countries that is paka Malawi no tawata batwensi tulikabu igotawata paka chinse mocha Djibouti chinse mocha asakuru kwa no Somalia but tuko sawa Ivon kutoka Maunga naomba wimbo wa msanii nyosha mkono and then this is Davin kutoka Kiumbu naomba uncheze wimbo wa mwanzo wa Tombe Girls inibariki pamoja and then our brother ndugu yana nale gaiga kurukwa nagero Wycliffe Abuga mumurumu aboga watabanga imaneno iko sawa mkate hata mimi naona vizuri bana kurugabo Wilfred Montanaro anda mwino gali asejuli onachera ngatindora egora boko ndo ni freshly wakati tunapoenda kusoma hizo jumbe one on one. Karibu mwensi asetokoliye kurwaiga nchake kuroka boko kwana kwa bolio atatuambia jina lake nkaji kurwa nyaga kwiguke gusi tele tukosabu kwa beranga abasabaiga mumanyita abasana nini basaye budget ke gusi mono but today tutajaribu kutoa mix Kiswahili na kwa Arabi kijana hisi ni mambo ya vijana so hapo ndio tunakaa wakichanganya kizungu kidogo na liko manyanga togo somi engombe na ndira ne kobe ngombe usirike songo na kyugule gogara kwa na gabo akwa ne songo na bwati ke songo akwa ne Kiswahili na kwa bwati ke Kiswahili ikyo yuko ngana kiko but we tutajaribu abangi na morenga kiro muntu atware tet ko batabika we are not speaking of the Adventist Church yoke to kwanda omwana musae onde bwensi olenka gabo osora ndonsi asakare bana abakero bagosoka isko what does the community expect kya Bible bawo bakanyete osinche kenyoro kiganyete wango chakabarenga atima osi David kagendo chigali mbaganyete bunali gaiga he struggling lakini karamo ko gandaka komata getomo sawo yoiga atara telebintu gete they will be speaking from themselves nche nko ko wakirisha kurugabu twestoganda karibu baba sema jina lako kajukorwa na bintu binde bidito bwantu kumanya bunai
nkoro kwa Atima David Korunyancho South Kenya Conference asante
sinono
nga nyancho ekerore
thank you na idea taliao
Samaritan kurukundora tunguya sitere bonjan kanisa ne kurukukioge church.
Okay, thank you.
Allow me to have a happy Sabbath. Nkoro kwa Peter Mogasi kurwa Better Living Gatembe Nyancho District. Nkase ite ro machogo bra Kenyanya. Yeah.
Okay.
nche asamarita nguru kunaumi ke mtu mumanyi nkwende kanisa ya Gianche Saito Gianche.
Na mimi kwa majina ni Mogeni Victor Gwaro, kanisa ni Better Living Getembe, nyumbani ni Manga Ikobe.
Yes, hapo you are neighbors. Lakini mwatamanya hii. Thank you, because of that I didn't know that by coincidence you are neighbors and nomorega umwensi mnayanya kanego. And then kariri ntabali Julie afanye hivyo because tarakarama na matebia as we do that na toko genda amutwensi. Now ubo kumabwe ega na kiro montari na aganyete ubo mabwana kibochko ndio tutake ubo maborobi. Sidio, that is why kila mtu anachukua kipindi yake vizuri. Lakini Omosai, do you really understand Omosai? Taketa Victor ato divine yake go obe Peter. Omosai ningo keroko murigire karangeli kia kero monda ta divine Omosai. Omosai ningo kulingana na you think.
Embe mwana. Omosai allow me to make a setup ya kanisa. Setup ya kanisa yo define Omosai kova wechakira teenage. Omuntu ikire 13. Omuntu chakire kwemanya. Chakira 13 all the way up ntumeke tigapia 35 years wose 40. Kiagara ande ndiro ekanisa batanga onyomuntu tarareta bantu wose tarasoka still no ale category ya nduke yabasa. But let us use from the age of 13 abuna abantu bachakira bono ku discover bachakire kwemanya bataitiri bakalyabo bataite space yabo bataite kuchaka okole bintu bakolanga they need a little bit of independence kudwa se abali babo. So for me Omosai wachakire age mpaka the age ya bikira na Kenya ya 35 lakini watu extend mpaka somewhere 40 asingenjo singenjo ya liringa onye turasoka usi turareta bantu no tukubege kineke Omosai sai wamenye sai bazenji ko ndande ndu ya renke ya leta abantu no mwaga no Omosai.
I love that. What is your take on Omosai?
To my take, I can say a youth is a person who is growing, learning, and preparing for the future.
Growing, learning,
and preparing for the future.
Na kwearia, yani nga oyo gukina okwegera no andate kwearigania ase ugumabuchi watch.
Yes.
Igo nimba 60 bado. I'm there because I'm still growing.
There's an age. Somebody is young, energetic.
But at 60 I'm still young.
No.
Age is still a number. Okay. Atima, what is your take?
Una my brother Kibeka aliana hii ni miaka ya kujijua, umeanza kujijua. Na pili, hii ni miaka ambayo aso hujaweka uamuzi wa kuoa. Mara nyingi hii ni miaka ambayo vijana wanatafuta anajaribu kuona nani ambaye atakuwa mwenza wa maisha yake. Pili, tatu, hii ni miaka Kenya hapa tunajua Omosai ni Gen Z. Matthew saying Gen Z.
Kanisa kiribu kufinyiria na mwanzo kwa.
Gen Z muntu wada chinguru, muntu wada chinguru biega ando tara twara bantu. That is honor Omosai. Thank you.
Thank you. Victor.
Yes.
What is the youth?
For me, the sita differs much with them because a youth is a mtu mdogo ambaye bado ndio anajaribu kujijua vizuri. It is at that time sasa anajiuliza huyu nikiwa na huyu itakuwa sawa for the future. Nikiwa na huyu atakuwa sawa. This is the time you make most of the decisions the future.
Okay.
Yeah.
Baba?
Nche nabongo teanga Omosai mundo bwensi watu chinguru kwa ringana ya Nyasaye. Kama kuna nguvu ya kufanya anything kulingana na mapenzi yake Mungu, you are a youth.
You are youth.
Yes.
Thank you. Noiwete ba kwa na kurugabu kero monto ngo define yale Omosai. Ase nchiga ose standard tribe kurugaiga kurwa muso muri geto kwa Nancy Van Belt.
Yes.
ereka goteba nga umusae no roach ni mtu roach roiga igoro gocha korogoro karoro gocha korogoro uno bwana ewe akaro goika asakuru kwekera the fall abona obusae bugochakera akaro obusae ase fall gochikoba amagena gago chaka koba ewe magena gago chaka kobera korogoro gali amanya koba magena are strong. That is at the age of gochakera 9 nya kolenzi ya America. That's what kolijiko pale. Gocha Africa kage miaka 12 13. Bono at 13 14 aigana dia macha ya gwaka agodifine kajago soccer sama genali. Amanya gotirimboka gawe ka 15 gari kera sharp this way. Kurwa 15 paka 18 17 19 miaka bado gavano. Anekera gochansa. Macha ga kuminyoka aiga terikoba determine na kedions. It's according to the cliff na kiako gochinsa. Okay. Nsa ya sago chikugwa no age 20 to 26. Awe. Aiga no ekubwate. Amacha akar kuruga ebinchi bichiri chonse ro kurugali kurukwanga your family background waro giboino odili gotanyuoma bonyuoma oje konyuoma kwaseli yachitibions ekera gurin saiga ega konyora edarigena o second jones sa so machari gat kuruga nyabwa de chiubichiri gago ikaga na baraike agenda street asoke anyuoma yakolegen aiga no masomali ontuna ngotimbuga aiga no nyaruka ya mintere Naomi that aiga no akuguga igabwata masomo like umuntu gaigibirangera yabwata nga ngoetande ngende university nyore gasi nyuoma. That is what it comes. Lakini kagule nsa igago chaka bono nocha samachari yakugwa idoko nyora alimete guchima lakini konyora ligena ndire guchika so macha na bakunya gwetana na echibanero konyora yamenyira ali 4 years terigurwa because go yaki tekurukali kabunsa ona kunya ko yetana. All right. That is the age umonda kwa mwango soka lo tari ko soka kunyoma lo tari kunyoma. You see? So gari asako gwa ekubwa tige na kia kubwe abara agwiriga na uchikusia osiriga ne ruchia osuchimwe na osuchia. So kago tenagaiga ebintu biritu ate abachubichiri achite jia family. Ajiji kunya abagunya yenye chuba na agunya gonjuka na nsaiga muntu tai kunyoma muntu tai to kara keligions is here. That is the youth. That is the translation ndate kurugai. But obogoma boitu no moibori igate tumwana ga ko school kanyore gas anyuome anyora bana. That is it. That is the definition. Kuno yape abanga keusi no aba 50 no aba 60 I know moisi to taraso kabano gyo enenya roka osemo kanya debe dai wate aganaki oyo. Let me confirm this that oyo nyaruke yaito bona yakol to form 4. She's the youngest here. Bona ko to form 4 bona matema socket like aiseko soka atanga ne royo ono mukungu na boy dai enenya roka Sindi kwa David bila tunaenda wote unatoka ndochika karibu karatoka ndamo 20 egratu chako bikakaika. Now let's start from the school perspective. Who are the youth ekarabna diaso form 1 pirangeli the way it starts tato chakiro akarko igete form 1 ko chaka class 7 there is body changes right course of form 1 give us the experience.
Karana sweta form 1 nikikana sweta form 1 from primary kuna ile maisha yenye sikuwa nimejua and it was a boarding school.
Yes.
So and it was a girls school. Being in that boarding and it's a girls school ilikuwa rahisi. Kulikuwa na wale wenye unajua mimi ni mtu mwenye nimelelewa huko nyumbani sijakuwa exposed vitu za towns. So nikapata
Bonore kienyeji Promax. Thank you. Is there
nikapata kuna wale wenye walitoka Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu sawa wanaelewa. So penye tulikuwa tunalala ni form 1 lakini
Baro ba Nairobi
kulikuwa na simu. So ukiwa umelala unajiuliza mbona mimi sijapata mtu anaongelesha hivi mimi nisikie wanasikia.
Oh yes.
So if you are not keen na ujue ulikuja aje hapa shuleni, haikuwa rahisi.
Haikuwa hivi.
Haikuwa rahisi.
So this one vile wengine wanakaa wacha kagwechaya, wacha kagochaya baibuli bao. Okay? And then the girl
Mimi nayo wakati nilijoin form 1 ilikuwa day school. Sasa ilikuwa tu rahisi. But sikupata challenges mingi. Juu nilikuwa natoka home shule. Jioni tunakuja na makuzo zangu hivyo tu.
so kene kiangu kubika kuruga ikabona kwacha kile kubika kwangu bika kwa vete kamisi yeli la yelo
Mtu akabikira
from primary bwana kwacha kile kwa tigire kubika ya yelo ogocha kuruga ile kamisi ya watu mfuko
Asa ambayo na kira na route day school which is boarding school.
Kono radio mangana jaitko. What happened here?
Bono kunyora ukoroka n'umshamba. Ukunyora abande wanajua kitu chenye wanafanya. Banarire. Bono nganara bono nganarira ni bono.
So aiga koko ndo school aiga there is pressure y'abantu banarito kugima naye kienyeji pro max sinega akarenya keminja sinega akare tugia tumu akare kale from that is how did it happen bono kurugaiga pakogo chagweta matem kurumega that is the deal
Ekera wasoire school okoba you be who you are from home kwarigereri kurunganki ekerenga yakwirete school kwenda nabukunyora matajiri baro abanene kwa ayo turi kunya kurigere ninanki babwate nini juu shule yetu twandi kwira yonsi ona aye ekikirima muminakwa yenda nakyo na focus on studies igobono nkibona chete ga focus on studies ngatigana tingo nya kurigere kirina ukurukana kyongo tumekambaka nakora
good aye kwa ajili ya kienyeji thank you oyonde Lewis ngoba kwani aliga Davis no sacred director ya kwani Doro na Victor na bande muri na baro bono wajire gaiga tukata kira cyanga kiri oburire meji abana be bajiji bagorire naki how was it
Sasa tunaweza sema haikuangi rahisi. It's not easy. I cannot say it ni rahisi. It's not easy at all. Not easy.
Wana gora ntiga nhodera bono yo kwetene neire thank you because goja majoro mwana you will know
Sasa mimi kitu nilinisaidia after niliangalia hiyo maisha nikaangalia it was hard until tukakuja half term. Wakati tulikuja half term I had to talk to my mom. My mom is so friend. Nikamwelezea akaniambia what I'll do I'll just see pesa nitapata then I'll buy this and this and this but hiyo ndo nitakuwa nimejaribu. But wengi finally they went to fall into that trap. Sometimes in a girls school it's not easy. Unapata kuna walimu wengine ama some other workers there. Unapata kama mtoto mdogo ajielewi vizuri, ajui kitu anafanya. Unapata mtoto ameingia kwa tra, anamwambia every morning nitakuwa nakuletea kitu fulani nikiingia shule ama nitakuwa nakufanyia hivi. Ama wengine they go to an extent like mimi siwezi soma ni perform nifike mahali fulani. Wacha ni befriend huyu mwalimu akiwa rafiki yangu. Unajua mwalimu atakufurahisha for that period uko shule. But after form 4 that's the time when utaelewa wewe ni nani.
So you are saying let me cut you.
Yes.
You are saying into utatua bwato sinichiano nganchire daro we will be very free amafutana aruta bwati aya gugurire alimis gugurire ngombe nandi tu manyaye no mundo gugurire urutia
hiyo spray ya kujispray unuke vizuri
aya tubwati aya tubwati ne ugiye kwa mdengo top so mahusiano ya kimapenzi acha kagosoa
za kuingia because those stories are there where you sleep in class once you are free penye huko hata kama ni church penye umekaa mkitoka those are the stories most of those students speak
yes Thank you so much. Today we are privileged. Nageka talk letter one on one. Nageka talk tebia kenda mna kiri kuruga iga nturiko kwa nturiko chora nturiko cha nageka toko ya beka mnari. This is what we undergo. Na kora tereke kwa kiri kiri kerange nagabu so that you know ekarote ketu mwano achene e. True. Lakini ata ketu mwaka chianga bwatu uyo gachane dasa niko seibere aya kaona kamo amna kuona liabo sibi na kwano chikaiga kera kwa megati ye bwate kirigeta uno bweto kunya ko megati na yaro bwata mageni bwate kirigeta megati ye paki ya aya mwano gago tumike bitamba. That is the difference. Mwano oiga na ruyo tagete. I thank you because chisimi chacha kirigocha asina mbeyira ase TV kuba igorerande chinamba chiri chisimi agara tuigu you take on the same na bako kurugaiga kariri nkonye gabo yentunkire that kora gaiga lakini mbara igwa kuru the other side nkonye bon abu no ya ber kuruga atima bono na bona bamura bono otu achiriga bamura mbote
mechando nero especially personally na soete form 1 njena wate privilege of a parent on sometu magogo isanika na bilie bike.
Okay, contentment.
Contentment. Karena soete high school na nyoreta abantu some boys barenge bia even during amatuka visiting abantu mari bange ko abamura mari bange ko visited ne kigali abandi bareta ruchi soda ekesi banywalia but my parents mbansomete mwana kuisanika na zile kidogo ambazo walikuwa wananipea ile kiwi ile ngeba kangolira sometimes seka mwanyesi imetoka wakagochinka can take even 3 weeks utari gutumira no pesa. That was the life to alenga alia to abwatalia kera tole high school no bogma bwarenge obakomu but to asu kuisanika na ncha advice naye bali no school bonoiga moiboli na bako somyo mwana kuisanika na kiliekeke because korwabu asebyo kosomu ngobo na botu akina igo kono tole abantu twetenderete. Thank you.
Thank you. Asingen Cheyo Sanlita Mogeni abatabanga at 40 uitari mosai. Wene prince for bachelor. A youth is a young adult, very energetic. Thank you, dear, because of that. And then mwalimu Siocha Ngonche. And mwalimu Nyambaria boys. I'm happy to see my son from Nyambaria, class of 2020. Victor, that is good, including elucidating cool information about the youth and the church. Victor, again, thank you because of that. Nanje omwalimu nanje senior eko asekare a university. Victor, because omwalimu ona yana akurire kurugaiga the way you are doing it. How was it in Nyambaria? Being a national school, kwa so form 1, omwana kurumanga Maria iko
nikikumbuka Nyambaria, I remember the first day I went to Nyambaria, admission day.
Yes.
Nilikuwa nimevaa uniform ya Choice Primary. Nimekunja sweater, ilikuwa imeraruka kidogo mahali so naelewa kijana. Nimekunja kidogo. I met with an English
incoming voice call from 0753-526-703.
Kidogo. Nikaogopa at first naingia.
Incoming voice call from 075.
Ndio umeshtuliwa, nimeanza kushtuka bwana. High school is going to be hard. First week.
Oh yes.
You know, nimetoka academy. Mambo ni rahisi. Mambo ni rahisi.
Yeah.
First week I used to be a very careless guy. Very careless. First week
umeibiwa kila kitu.
Nimefika hivi actually basin ilienda nikiwa nilifika hivi kwenda class kurudi basin hakuna. Then that same first week nimeamka sijatandika kitanda. You know Nyambaria kwa discipline one of the best schools around.
Kwa hiyo gari ni maite 001.
So let me tell you, I was disciplined.
I know the transmission. I know Nyambaria.
Never wore that. Let me tell you, that first week, I was given whips.
Buya, ogochoka.
Whips.
Okorosi bugima.
Kani and I thank that teacher for doing that. Because kama angenipiga program asante sana Mr. Tambo. Because I remember alinichapa nje ya form 1V. I can't forget that.
Yes.
But life after that, you know, Nyambare is an SDA school, so life after that, mimi ni SDA. Life inaanza sasa kuingiana na I'm noticing ile notion nilikuwa nayo pale ya huku ni kugumu, si ngumu hivyo. But now nimefika pale, mimi nimezoea maisha yangu venye iko. You are meeting new people, kuna ile pressure, you want to be like others. Sasa the friends are meeting there, napata watu tofauti. Kuna wale matajiri, kuna wale sisi unajua maisha ya kukua contented.
Yes.
What you are given is enough.
Oh yes.
Now you are meeting some people wenye ukwao, ya akisema nipewa 1000 leo, anaambiwa unaomba chukua. Wewe ukisema 1000 unaambiwa ngoja kidogo itatumwa. So it wasn't so easy kuadapt. Unaona kila siku Nyambare iko na canteen very serious. So unaona kila siku mtu ako na KDF packet. Wewe umepewa pesa, unaenda kupiga hesabu ya hii pesa, unasema nikiitumia mbaya kutaharibika hapa mbele. That alone ilikuwa a bit hard, because I can tell you the truth, my form 1 nilikuwa somehow I was swayed by maisha wengine to a point I almost forgot where I'm coming from.
Oh yes.
Nikafika mahali sasa mimi pia nataka nikuwe kama wengine. Had it not been but for my strict mom, sasa ningekuwa hata sijui kama ningemaliza hiyo shule.
So thank you because of that. Tuingie as we do that. That is, we are giving you the genesis where these sons and daughters come from before Tarach Kobe Kurugabo, and then Kariri na Wakondra na Kirende Tokobe Kurugabo. Aye.
Yes.
Tuandro kwana kwa ra studio body out there that. Ekera Tokobe Kurugabo. As we do this, bila unavyoingia.
Yes.
Tuchakirai. Bwana tiri kwa na form 1. Sio bata story ya kayo eti.
Na agandonga lona
yes. Umago chiranga umuiburi about contentment, your navigate or your contentment. Oyo tebe bana nje ndajino mwana bo moyo bo mombo mwalimu letaonya. Ko gando cha. Ocha docha is there. They are teach about Bible mbaroro that their children come to school. He, she, it doesn't care. Tanya polireri nonye. I want to tell you, omwebuli nale omwana oye arwete class 4 akaenda class 6.
Yes.
Omwako mugima polireri report for number 3 class 6 kaucho ino mwalimu kakora ngiri nganchu ngabono oyo kwa number 3 Zawadi Victor inchu oye Atima is my son, is not in class 6. Yes. Tengayo yino mwebuli oro mwalimu orange ya tukwena ne Zawadi ngakolgiri report for me mwana oye oligeriga achete diamo change school aga change ku class 4 kako genda taibe class 5 akabe class 6 na anda aga perform all that na lero kurangiri kupita abebuli bunabo as you okwana ma tomago so kuchiga that is what we do
mon aga ndonga na nataka comment kasini
chagera
there is a part va kwanirega on my change from primary school high school ekara tu alenge ginkobwata neki wakwana ekara tu alenge primary our parents enga kielie eba mbata ete anything less but iwo gueta KCP ega siaga kwire school ete nande kago chaga lio nyora balimu bakwana o mwalimu nole tip ota ono mwisi oyo momentere bibo you get that point. One discipline yarenge in primary was so intense, was so thorough, in that ntu aetete. Lakini the effects of that discipline ekerogo transist go form 1 iye okorosiko bomuntu mwao. Una my brothers were said ntete kukwana in the aspect y'umwana mumura. Una my brothers were said kerogo ikire form 1 mkatende ko katabinga as a form 1 your work is to survive. Kerogo ikire high school unomumura your work is to survive amongst 1000 boys. Oyo katabiriganga endo egasira uya na bora nyora agasira nyore domo asa lenga bara kintu kike korara nyore bintu bya bigakora kintu kike bigasira. While I was joining from one na lenga kamontaga ke agasinini, there was no chance of survival for me.
Okay.
All right.
Diwa adamo berinyo bari kongani.
Omo berambono na bayirake. Ingamundo. Igiye na lingala ke. Kwarali. Bono survival ya nenga kina lengo cha kwa yakwa. Ekabidi bono ntumike other means to do what to survive. Kyara nyora senkuru ba sanjio kisa ine. Inda gore survival ya.
Okay.
I want you to know those challenges in high schools.
Nga bana mbali bago survive, mbali bago soma, mbali baro.
Mbali baro.
Yes.
You get. Naro kuna bate babwata chibeta so bunacha is taken care of by the older boys because chiba sanchi pale taken the picture.
Na bwata gyako gora freedom ya.
Mono nje timbo atimobere. Timbo atibesa. No only. How do I survive? Ngachaka konyorana na nyo pressure you will join the bad boys.
Oh yes.
Walinani ni nani wa shule. Elinde elinya leo kalendo kiki. Kinde within this particular group, ine group eli etali kokunwa. Kime ndiko semo nganda tu asomile high schools abana abamura. There is so many things that go on in high schools na watu konya koganda gochimutu to konya kokwana legende kyo. Where kwara taken to na parents are supposed to be involved totally in the education you mwana. Right from primary to high school. Tiganda leta a very small episode. This is not intelligent kiyakobe lakini a very small episode in my primary school. I did boarding school in primary. And unfortunately, igali nkonyara kwa lengelindo umwalimu there is a teacher okonyara very broke. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
One way or another, because that is the way life is. Oja, because these children are discovering themselves. Ngote matole ko 15 ngochia mangana ye school, ngote matole ko kia balimu, ngote matole ko kia Bible, and we are also discovering ourselves. Umwalimu ojo ogo sukuma to a certain point for you to avoid punishment. Ya wata bikaranga ngo emi inga seen, but you see from where you are coming from, where your pocket money 150 for 100 it means then you are surviving
na 50
bob the entire term, but the parent does not know. To them the teacher is the right person.
Oh yes. On that, do you want to tell me Owebi school?
Very much.
Owebi sometimes bana mbali kwancha ko baba ibi lakini asengencho yo mnabwanto tebe iko karabe tererikwa okoemi omakore mi ya atimali oranga atimali letu chika gere ligoro ga lingi chika taligere wako ga atimali gere ligoro wako emi yando chika. Do you want to say that?
Yeah, there is that. Such behavior singo chile chacha nkwara equality to you. I don't know, so form 1 I went to a different province ngakieli province right now it's county. School ina jede na benga group of schools, it's a national school. Nyahururu. And now we are having a whole lot of people abantu in different capacities of life. Na umonte ebiri korunga ekekoro to kelimo koreta na ekemo etafi. I adhere to rules ngacha ni etafi material ngia. Lakini karona ike school at the form 2s na bale babero babake okero kori eli bikoro to nebia ebia bono nche na lenge kienyeji bali baruete gusi no
saboyo
so
yo nda digera
no maite ono oroche abantu aba they are different. Kerayo boletia box ya mabati na aro boletia suitcase koje school na aro wate blue band
1 kg
4 kg tomato sauce ya 5 liters. You understand?
Tomato sauce go kujibwa
tomato sauce yo isakonyora bahati so mamu minanko iro hoteli go setiro muga na ro ya kumetenga kili onyora tomato sauce yo vege chips. That is when you can enjoy again go tomato sauce. So
lakini go chanero in a story in a new story.
And now some of these things they are those bad boys they will prompt you for the next part of our survival. A box in area gali supermarket
supermarket.
Let's go shop. We are going to shop.
Yes.
Quarrel. For me, I was lucky enough to know someone I can rama my size. But I could see how things were done. Montonaro Ringa so in a domia from one. Montai from one, you were what the tissue to Paka. Montai one would you get such kind of things. So for a boys' school, it is all about survival. And sometimes abuse as they discover themselves. After effects of life.
Thank you, because that is the absolute truth. The youth and the church noro chikrumonto agokoera sarega morin epk akubolina. Does teachers do that? Yes, they do. Unfortunately, the division of class is everywhere, even after school life. Is that true? Kana gochika bona toikire kurwega abuna bwa bana kero moiboli atagete umwana uyo aete Victor uko kuga kwa runo yaise kwegura so yaiterete kwara oli egento kiye kumubeka gagwa to moiboli maete ngaka mwana ngana nuna bale so de tawli ga kurugai kingo gatika kwa na boso gogaje ngiruli sasi egora ga na ne tawli ndende kaiga oyo ituru ndo at least baba tawni ndo mayetenga turgoti ungana umwana makole abo mwana make nkege mo maroko nyora ogaducha. Now, this is what your children are undergoing at Karabalenka. Ayana rabawe tere Karabale Chiskuru. Karabale bono kuruga. Ba achire ba kore high school to achire bon university. Kaigwa cha kitu kubika baba unfinished. Mokuru karage. Let's start from there. Abana baita baswati. The other day, na no mo first lady, Lucy Kibaki the late. Nga tabo chaga ka do itaronge ko ra posongo, brongi ni mkinyuma na nego chika. Where dad kayeki yako chakira. Lero moto kubika yanga. Moko bono Lucy no yanga kuna moto.
To me, I can say, Jarora get tinanya kubika. I nifurahisha tu because naona hiyo ni kama I'm half naked of it.
Okay.
But trouser nilianza kuvaa nikiwa form 3. Like tulikuwa na zile bash tunatoka shule, naenda na wengine. So kienda na dress na kwani umekuja church? So nikaambia my mom, I trouser ile nitakuwa navaa. My dad was like, no, this mama akaniambia sasa tuko albai but zile zimekatwa nisione hapa.
Ukabwati hapo.
So nikaanza kuvaa. After hapo sasa kuingia college venye niliingia tunavaa mashort nini, but I was not happy.
Do you advocate for that?
Come as long as somebody is comfortable with that dressing, unajua huwezi badilisha mtu.
Okay. Wewe unataka tanga kurugabo. Yambuli, kubeke roni na kubeke mini skirt. Neke. Ndiye. Ira ndiye. Ira ndiye.
Eli goli lenga na kubeke roni
na kubeke mini skirt.
Na
ndiye. Ade kebengera.
Allow me to
yeah.
From this perspective, college, they are trying to identify themselves.
Oh yes.
Ngoli yale identity.
Wana naliye aikireza ali.
Naliye kirabo.
Silence whatever.
Agu identify. Wana gali kera kiri whatever kiri kianse. Nalibona kwe manyika, akwe manyika. Na bakwe manyika ni njende yonse. You understand?
Yeah.
If is in entire time Karalenga high school ilitoka ganda chia udinyeji. Ayamukata dumuroji. She will make sure
kwa moral
Karare high school because she can be able to afford some of these things.
College.
The same way in Orantua Karare college, I saw people with earrings. The shaving style here alenge tofauti abande mbara mraba alenge komina. Na boko boli gosene kebe gosene kwende. The truth of the matter is this. Eyanga is meant gotuba
Bogetiriana
buha. Make sure that is the first thing. Eko koragendo ke. Egendo ya kabere it is meant
korata libere.
Korata libere ro mubero ugo. To baise ko tuara marwaire.
Ndo nonge wa.
Nonge wa. Ekiaga dato it is meant to identify nga oyo no muswati, oyo no musacha, oyo no musasiroti, oyo no mupasta,
oyo no moshe.
Oyo no moshe, oyo no moivi, oyo no. Yes, it is there for identity. So, Karato make some of these decisions. We consider this. ekero go consider bintu ebyo nsikwanyora nga ekemonkero kirema minja yo gwakorire ki.
Oh, yes. Good. Tuachire kanisa ga tujitwaro bali botokine tumenje naye but tuachakira adventurous gocha pathfinder na ate bad ambassadors abantu bose pensida yuto toli gochiko gayo chiko rwanda tuakolere bantu asoire kanisa ima. What are the expectations of the church? Gochakira mulisi gocha kanisa. What are the expectations?
First and foremost, to kwanera aikara gwasoire university. Mauricia Alianka ga expecting na linko ganda I'll be the same person about to university. Mbeke esuti linko rabe goche kanisa. Etai ne rombe ke kabisa.
Olinganishe tai ende yonsi abe lakini
Sabbath school ngatendi mambia ereso nonde inabalengere tinko mwana no chire kanisa alia.
Yeah.
And even to other even to go attend a week. I'm think ane birasi go attend. In their expectations. Chio moibo liole kerarenka. But bueno, there are other things toja to abrukana biro biaria in kerto asoire campus. Biro bire binge, especially in the biago expect ebire abantu ago buata nabake. But I'm privileged in Jekarena Sweta campus. Let me say that I was the first church elder of the church that is a university in Arenge. The expectation is it is what I held Arenge campus. Challenges Jarengoro. Na abete abantu mbamba gwete mtu anakubagua wewe mbona unaenda hivyo abantu bagwa attend chipati njetini ku attend montoro kungabona kwabere mo priest kwabere pastor the way you dress kuchikeras ikubegete shati you have tucked in abantu bacha kujaje bakotege no chotiga correct enderera no chotige so we can say that parents at home they expect something and these youths are so in campus to what parents expect peer pressure nero without watakutusi. I think that is what they expect, but
thank you. As we do that, Garo Victor Chakurugaiga, Mwalimu Nyambaria, Emmanuel. I remember my friend Amos Kingoina, PK, mtoto wa Pastor Kingoina, akiwa Kisi School. He was among 20 boys who lined up and was refunded school fees because he wanted to worship on Sabbath. That was the Form 4. Huo mwaka wetu wa Form 4, Kisi School, entire results were cancelled. Are you getting that? Those are challenges. Pando chiga mondata itoko sasima, and then I got so koganda was maybe school ya yoko ganda maybe Nyabururu, Mbrutu Matalo, Catholic, Nyambalia, it's Sabbath worship, and then iriga Lutheran, Iterio. Those schools no to ire tabana, but school chiga tamachikabo, alright? Na ndene sponsor ye school bono wo mwana gali bintoganyete na kiviko gendra. And what happens? What are the expectations of Abaiboli?
Parents, the moment umeingia university actually, wamejiambia kijana wangu ataenda asome, amalize, atafute kazi, apate kazi, asaidie nyumbani, kama ako na wadogo, asaidie wadogo, na maisha yaendelee vizuri kwenda hapo mbele. But now, when it comes to university,
now reality,
there are realities of life. Unafika university unagundua, like me for instance, mimi ni MSDA na born SDA. Nimefika university, I'm finding now, kumbe huku nje freedom ni mingi. Now you are realizing, naweza fanya chenye nataka.
Yes.
Though unajua mimi bado my mom is that strict parent, atakuuliza uko wapi, science angapi uko wapi. But sasa university is there, uko na ile freedom in as much as hata mzazi akufuatilia, freedom inakuja. With university there is freedom.
Yeah.
So ndo unaanza ku notice there are things out here that can be done. Telling you the truth, mimi niko hapa Kisi University. You've known me for a while.
Yeah.
Mimi I love dressing officially. I love that. But sasa pale ukivaa official inakuwa ni kama you are very odd. Inakaa ni something very different. So
Again,
hapo ndo wanakumbuka wewe ni SDA pastor. But that is how we have grown up. Pia ni again, university is all about kuamua what you want. Because if you don't, university ni rahisi sana kutoka mahali mzazi anataka. Unaweza amua, unaweza fika university and drugs zikumalize. University is that way. Because let me tell you, telling parents the truth, university kuna drugs. Hey, usherati ni mingi sana university. Actually they might be surprised. Some of their children wameolewa ni ile hawajasema. That is university.
Baba nyomire kali no bale attachment na internship.
Wako internship ya marriage.
Yes, yeah.
And that is university. In university ndio kila kitu sasa inajitokeza. You know, unlike high school kuna mwalimu pale atakukimbiza kidogo. University there is no one who will ask you mbona hujakuja class, mbona hujafanya sijui nini. University you face everything at once.
Now you are talking of university, mnaacha hizi colleges zingine. Hizi za hapa chini, tertiary colleges like to National Polytechnic, Polytechnic, TVETs, they are there. Now, vitu kama hizo tuziweka kwa university pamoja and what is there. So, hapa montana bata kubwati. Tunako na kurugabo nisoma mbili. Andrew Molina, thank you, big up my dear Kuzo. Unamjui? Kuzo ya Andres Molina, sijui ni wanani. Lewia Antenga on my way to Londiani, watching all the best. Elizabeth Karani, this is my relative and my neighbor from Nairobi. Devi DP from Doha, Qatar. Wycliffe Abuga, congratulations my dear sister Naumeke Monto. Glory to God for the opportunity. Wycliffe Abuga watching from Gilgil Town, Nakuru County. Past greetings to entire Gatemba TV Ambo family, our heroes Dad Momanyi Ogeto, Mamo Minto Divina Kwamboka, SDA Gyanje, Igo. Wycliffe ni matoma tinga nche gazi ni yao lakirende kore karibu ene nubwa. Ali Mora, blessings from the hills, and then Nigeria wote vile wanavyokaa. I think wameanza kuzituma sasa. That is what happens. You've seen how it goes. Drugs ziko huko. Patia msichana karokana na nema iko cheka. Aya. During your high school, were there illicit relationships? Like musbati abatu musbati yonde. Were there like yate banga konyana no mwalimu abana be high school goes na kwa rute mwisonda ntabanya to ebiri plenche nebiri relationship nchiri kwa ngonyora nga omwana ali form 3 abwato mwaka gete ole sokore aya. Were there?
Yes. Konyora mbaro mono ikie kubaira bucha mpya pressure use
ongeza sauti
usokonyora kiro muntu atabwati chibese akoranga ni kingutwara umugakuri uri nabwati bese nabakonga chibese ntumeke.
Oh yes.
Bono ase wanjani asu mwisike no mwisike ilikuwa but tulikuwa tuna doubt bono ndoko manya
mungu nyara kwa ikwana. Oh yes. Haya. Hii vitu siku hizi imeingia paka kanisa yetu. Noma ate binde na bikwana ka. Injebwe kambwata liba kali ukwana nga muntu gete kukwana kale gachi lakini ndata baba kwana. Are there relationships atibona mna kwa berega nga liba gatukanyite doro achaire mukate sobo. Bono doro kale na naum. Are there those things?
There. I went to visit one of my friends, Said Zawjaruni, anamaliza mwaka yendi rafiki yangu. So when I was there, one lady came akamuuliza huyu ako wapi? So I was like, mbona namtafuta? When I went to ask Dave, this is my friend, is my best friend. So I was like, kumbe hizi vitu bado ziko. Those things are there and they are working. Siku ukiona msichana na msichana wanaishi pamoja, si lazima uishi na mwanaume. Hata ukikaa msichana watu wanaweka question mark.
Iko binde bia sero chiga. Do you think those things are there?
Absolutely. My friend Mukate binte bimbiro. They are there. They start from very far. Literature will cover exposed.
Yeah.
As abantu wana wapata freedom like in campuses and in their lives. Ngoja karabira ale kuno mwana ya tena wakabaranga mbia lengo ro high school but some of them mbiko nyara haragende cake mbiko nyara go atoro. Back in the days, in our high school days, ngoto kabarenge, and since there was a fear you bintu nebyo nkonyara kwa lenga abantu nabo they will be looked at with a different kind of suspicions chincha kala tegen nchia lengoro. In the world that we are living today, they are coming out in public. Mbara or social media, mbara or where we live. Even unfortunately, ntoko nyara kukuwa namna ningo, lakini some of those people who handle our children at school level, unaba alimu, are also into that. Yes.
Paka abalimu wamehusishwa.
Yes.
Right. Una mwigwete bawate bakuru abo. This thing is there. What is the position of the church? Asa mangana mnaiga ebintu bine bigo korekana Mauricia ono chake bono kero muntu kaiga turu Mauricia no modikon. What is the position of the church? Expectation chikanisa na reality. Ebintu bine bia so ire kuraiga to mago about now. The church, marriage and church and relationship. We have purpose.
As my brothers and sisters, so we have them. Which I've encountered some cases, even counseling. Maybe in fact, in high school, we go secretly because we vice in a school. It's against maybe school rules. And again, our culture ito una Kenya, not even in Kisii. The culture ito una Kenya. Endo buneke maybe nyaruka yende kere kiamanyekanire igo montakor culture ito ono in campus freedom nero. Even these organizations na ro chali no campus sometimes mbaga celebrate kwa manya publicly and wago celebrate kabisa, but the position of the church the book of Genesis chapter 2 verse 24, it's a man and a woman.
Yes.
And when our daughters, our sons, when they are going outside that, we should be talking to our children. And sometimes even they because these girls and boys are strict. Na nyaruka. So unapata msichana with that fear. Mimi nimeencounter hata zingine hapa makwetu hapa. Zingine unapata msichana anaogopa baba yake, anaweza mgonga akimpata na mvulana kwa barabara. So the best position msichana atachukua ni kutembea na wasichana wengine. So unapata msichana anatembea na sijui wanajiita aje boys, sijui wanajiita kuna jina wanajiita au wasichana. Unapata kuna msichana ana dress kama mvulana, anatembea na msichana. Wengine wana dress kama mvulana, mwingine ana dress kama msichana. Kwa nyarumu murabe get cheerings. Once a parent you see a boy, you a boy, you check to go cheerings, ikaransa na remo kwanere. Because sometimes he may be acting as a girl to another man. So such are the signs chokorora even to. And I'm happy recently the US president nake begete maisoma raga tabanga again te kikonya ya chakiri crop in ba again te LGBTQ. Some people kwenye basoro roko nyoro mwana chorete etatu aligete nga abegete rainbow aligete tatu rainbow. Those things are happening. They are happening, and the stand of the church is it's a man and a woman. Maandiki kiabeire kigwa kerolire. Let us talk to our children badala ya kuwakemea, wacha tuwashike mkono tuwasaidie. Ili ndio maana if we come with a tone irigoro bakoboa and they will end up doing it secretly until logos nyuma ron kiatar ko nyomera oikire miaka 40 yota wana that is not a youth. Thank you.
And that's your principle. Ekanisa digoro yengani una bagot ine ekanisa, can we say una Mauricia kwa kurugaba ntatebenga intubune kanisa because inchende kanisa and inchende moibolika. Is the church doing the best part kwena kianga omwanu yiga kago kina mbu yago kina echimbe chichons no ene karo ataracha kwa samwina? Is the church doing its part?
What I can say, to some churches they do, to some churches they don't do. Cause unapata like kama vijana unapata kuna junior youth na kuna senior youth. So maybe somebody responsible for that, for those junior youths is not taking the responsibility yenye anafaa kufanya. Ama anakuja atuseme like kama church unaweza pata kuna relationships, kuna nini, there are so many challenges they encounter. Badala aona aje maybe Doro na huyu kuna kitu inaendelea. He comes, he talks, ama nawaelezea venye there's a way you talk to the youth, they just understand na wanaacha. But there's a way mtu anaweza kuja na uongelesha una feel like kama ni hivi hata kanisani let's just quit and but if umenini vizuri kanisani umepata mtu mwenye amewalea vizuri, amewakuza vizuri, somebody getting out of that inakuanga si rahisi sana, lakini once you are keen and you pray Mungu akusaidie, hata akili yako inaweza kuambia this thing is not right at all.
Thank you. Mkate Amomanga from Ichuni, that thing of ladies marrying together, to ladies to get married together, I have seen more in Keroka. My friend, ladies marry themselves. Thank you. Ina 0726 44 73 67. We are talking about the youth and the church. Omwana musai ne kanisa. What are the things that happen as musawiga inkigeo korekana inkigeta kiri inkiuga nyetakore and what they do kere negative. Bona ga ngwachira torichi simichino simbono ga na chigorira senabira TV au 0726 44 73 67. Kengana to soma chesa message. Happy Sabbath Fanadate. Enoch, watoto wetu tunaachia Mungu juu ukiona wameenda juu chuo kikuu kama imani yao italegea. They can do anything as long as aishi jinsi wengine wanavyofanya. This one brings to the question that I'm coming to you. Are parents providing for their children? Karo umwana oyo kwa murusiri ikoba tayo. Ochire oli Mararara. Oli gakari Kakamega. Oli gakari Kilifi. Umwana one university ya Chete ne college ya Chetor. Are they providing everything? Kwa sababu nilda kirigento kiriyo mwana yata kiringa kole gaiga inyomba ge gwaka chiri gobe aiga tali gusiga iga sakwa na mwina abwa enderama. Are these parents providing for everything? Egero mwana oyo ga na tago sareka ojuwa watanga oyo ambara sanga asinara koranga tigo mwakoli ntwara mwakoli otherwise kene ngeyo ngokole school na akole na chiro chiga. Are they doing that?
From the parent perspective,
kwa gratia mnoko ndego ni ruhusu nishike simu kwa hapa. Hello Gatemba. Ochiri endelea.
Looking at it, most parents think wame provide kila kitu. That is what they think. Some time back a video was made. Jamaa fulani anasema mtoto wako wa university akupigia umtumie hata 50, tafadhali mtumie, people are going through a lot. Let me tell you, I thank God niko nyumbani because this is home. There are people that went far away. For instance, hapa Kisii University, I have friends. At times I look at how they live. Unapata mwanafunzi pale jioni anakuambia mimi ni kwa nyumba niko na mboga, sina unga.
Okay.
Kwa mfuko sina hata bobo. Nyumbani nikipiga nitaambiwa ni ugumu pia.
Acha nichukue simu. Gatemba.
Mkate. Ndio mwana dijeti kanisa ragini wandu wale ile aba sabu ya more. Ya mono sana. Ege mtoto yangu kilia go mwana ya kwani no mtao yo moiga. Nibate banga mavurana tuwatandira bamentoa baibuli atibaka kama katika kila kitu. Ege ntonate bane. Amo murana bako beke yanga lakini batale no mtoto para na dabe yete iliana. Ndio bako kama to njino momina komna batoro dimo mokonya byo.
Bia mono. Ole. 0726 44 73 67 kubwa tulichi simichino chonsi na chigo cha kurugaiga endelea kusema.
As I was saying, na sio peke yake ati atakosa food ama mimi I usually look at it from a bigger perspective because mtoto umetuma university si mahitaji ya food peke yake anataka ama pesa ya kusurvive. Hata ile kupigia mtoto wako kumuuliza kijana wangu uko sawa, that is very important because umetuma mwanafunzi Kilifi, umemwacha mwezi mzima hujampigia hata once, hata kutaka kujua kijana wako ako wapi. Ndio ile unashtuka kijana wako alikufa last month ni news inakufikia nyumbani kijana wako aliokotwa mahali. But in the real sense ni wewe ulikosea.
Nikwanya kumwakira.
Wewe ndio hujaimtafuta.
Thank you. Hello Victor Mogeni, my son from Nyambaria, our spiritual leader back then. I'm happy. And then umesikia vile umeambiwa vizuri. Habari za mwalimu anavyosema, wewe mnakola taleta mic tunapo huyu naona akijaribu kujika. Tuned in Mkate from Getari Primary. I'm Dolphin na request song ya Christ Followers ulikonitoa. And then hello Mkate, Emma Duke from Nyanchwa, naomba wimbo kita. Yes.
Nilikuwa tu niongelee tu jambo ambalo naongelea pale about campus life.
Yes.
Wazazi saa zingine wanafunzi sisi saa zingine ndio tunakosa kuishi ile maisha ambayo ni ya kutosheka vile ambavyo nilisema. Wengine wanataka wa attend bash na kwa kweli when you check the background mtoto amesahau influence ya campus. Maybe those who are coming from a good background inakuchukua kabisa. So unapata mtoto amespend ana kitu na akipiga simu nyumbani maybe wanamtumia 200 na spending yake iko juu kuliko what the income yenye inaingia kwa simu yake. So unapata mwanafunzi yako na stress. Ndio maana tunasikia suicide cases in campus. Ndio maana unasikia mambo anakuinama.
Dakika moja.
Kuinama hii.
Call from 0759.
Yes. Hello, this is Gatembe Television. Gatembe Television. Karo tuakera kupunguze TV yao, se radio yao, so baika soka agaro nyargo tukwanana please. Nani tunatoreka itakuwa ni vizuri. So awatabanga sometimes contentment with what you have. I'm asking. Yes, very very responsible. But we have very irresponsible parents. Like mwana roche all month. Mwana no mwanafunzi. Aigo kirifi no na nkwanye guchi. Kwanye gwikana Nairobi. Umwana oyo na kiamenyete maatari.
Incoming voice call from 0759-854708.
So insego ye kamwete yangu tu kiata. Gatembe. Oh yes.
Naligi yonje ngomenti ayambeja.
Tebe lietari ya onka yore.
Lietari ya ngoro ku Ruben Musiori Buki.
Yes, Musiori. Onka yore Ruben.
Lietari ya iga mwembe.
Soka korwa TV yao. Eka radio geri go soka cha TV yande liga soka iga go solimye opoke ili ugirite.
Ronde iga mwembe.
Yes.
Brakaus.
Kabisa brother.
Na bongo kirino moja daro yuno endreta. Ama nena linga omungwano yo kwano mu university na wale bali bange ntumene TV mangana to university.
Yeah.
Iwo ona eko gani abayuri asetuwa leta tuenzi azuwamo. Right from the word start. Tobundiza abana baito toba green light ingiye ko university.
Oh yes.
Nabona yaze mineta ya ondo chikono abana babo taro almost naked. Abongora abori abana mbagori na ni moja ko ganda ko senguchi ali kibati ko senguchi Nairobi na mojo kare. Igo itizora about yuko ukubeka abana biya naende kifeza buno yu akwani we ba over support kifeza ma to kutakana yenje kana uwa yikiri ntasa.
Ebna abono mwembe kai kana ontu watichu baduntu wachi college nyingine university kisi kai katawuni.
Yeah.
At least no roche experience mna ga koganda botuko bana mbali korara nyumba bana mbali ko nursing enjo abana mbali bataisanegeti lakini abange babo mbali batabwati kibakuri
umajando manene mkatenda tebe na nelianga freedom yo jiaja ga furana kwa olojo to wewe mwana okwa mu sine academy awuni ga sasa yekero mo yo high school asasi yekero boarding oro wasadi ni mama yako mwafri ama yako na freedom from nowhere na government in the university freedom rani yoko
na freedom da rongo saliere
ne dinare serikali abana abo no baba ni university mbarayi biyo baba tukuvuga na ile kile za jeri po cho mwana andre kile za kitana na yese nijia ujina nyoro ndati tere ya dana wacha nipige simu nyumbani za hizi nitatumia do inyaroka were to mumure nje kangaboro kama kumola kama mumure ndio kama wote mwana nene chuara
Thank you, my brother. Thank you for being a wonderful parent.
Thank you. It is a good conversation, Kongore.
Thank you. Good. The youth and the church. Abai buli muna awa tenga. Nyaruka ya namu wacha kogenda pa wana mu watara kuruwe. By the way, kuru chuma. Abai buli. Let me say this. I will check and sole injeno. Kuchakira chuma mpaka chuma pili. What happened? Sasa abana ba itu bali muka tinga abana ne school ba asa abana bali like kende ke korete igari mo butuko igage korete iga onyora senyaruka ya ekare abana bao. Like it has come. The church was one ya ntita abana ba itinga nchwa ngeko ngencho muntu nko nyonya sore na amanyekane right muntu leke bago na amanyekane gagwe lero ponsi pita na batu batu tinga kanisa gabu tekero mondabe ke kuchia bitu kichia na tagete abamura bamine na batagete ayuka tinga ne version ya jire kumbo mumuro olia wakoreta ki olio kasogete gari asogerete gose jomboga nyete. I love the way Museveni yabate Pitu kungu banyora mo nyuwa maine nga Peter na Victor mo nyuwa maine kuba sikere nyumba yamo paka kakero ya mo inaocha kubwata bolito ningocha kubaigole mo ngano chigamo. That is it. Ekara toga ndate amo twins. Victor yani Peter.
Yes.
On the same thing the way we are doing. Are we as parents doing our part?
Liswali limbialire. Ntete nchakera lake.
Chakera no se like.
There is ndongaro mwibulio yakwa nuyo rule gukwana bono ya. Aspect na yale ku maturity. Umwana squeeze karake ngenja abana balenge ko begugokie school. Mwana nabago sugumugo kwanyora by the time wakora form 4 they are just but 16 years. Okay, in the university at a very low age. Not even the age, maturity, mbaro ego chayaka, baadaye.
Ugo kuleta na face.
Kuleta na face now, na liwa nao karagendo keke, ako mature. And now, maturity tera muikira, lakini freedom is in abundance. Yani freedom wabu hati ninyi, nyingi. Decision making yae is not mature. Kwanyora abana ba chakire ko make the wrong decisions. Again, to kende ne kikia Bible in terms of oko provide li abana. A Bible we ka provide li abana. There is no way around about it. There is no yani kende nke yoga kuna nto bwate option ngao.
Yeah.
Lakini ya nyale kanirenga mechi yonsi terkola tigendo kieke. Tebwe kaini. Asenaro vinte vita yenyore school fees gotoka nime chando.
Yes.
Andu mwana uyo rangeli go university atambe. These children are going through struggles. Wamanya ko make such decisions. Ekara ya biri ngenjenga buneyu for both Bible ya babatakuwa tikende na bali babuate. That is exactly where the church plays a role. Ekanisa no muibuli omaite.
Kabisa.
Ekanisa no muibuli asabana because they are discovering themselves. Again to get ngoli bali space. Even the imoko una X space. Bantu bali mbali gali na for anything. Abasaya they are looking for space where they can be heard, where they can be identified. Na kiega rabako li space. Na LGBTQ yabako nyagwa yakachirange chiwo muri shata bagali mwerengo na yagete. It is all a matter of what? Of space.
Yes.
Tali kiende bakuli. Iona roli ekanisa kwa abasaya aba a safe space. Umete kanisa yoka na ereko kwa safe space.
Yoka.
Nero yoka. Kiombenke yoka yao. Ya kwa safe space. Ye bine na obi ko ngai na kwanyora. Mukate tora kwa nere ndo ko kwe cult. Asa abana bamura. Umete abana besike na go kwanyora bago soka na baga. Abamura ngai bako na kuchi. The LGBTQ munko igunga ebuti ngo ikolwe. Gose amangana ye cult. Kwa igunga umwana na ali wash ba kwa masasi abande na baivi. I'm talking about now the boy child.
Yes.
Yanyale kanapo asengenje yo kuburugendo kieki kibasa.
Asengenje Naomi atagete mwaka ne nyumba ya 12,000.
Exactly.
Na Naomi karo chikoli Naomi mbiya korekana. Kwa mwa bono rende bese chinchiyo situ. Tigambo atene na babo yonde ko chigaiga na nyalebe banda tubuna asigete torete mu provider.
Nyore 12,000 na inje nyore cyane cyo.
Mbege korotegia omuntu oligere libiyo kobeka kwanda gali kwanyora risasi.
Umwana wa kulisasi yo chaka ka lebunari. Ekanisa is meant to provide a safe space ya abana ababasaya. in that ndongero kwa kona rigoro yechituki tikabaracha kanisa nechituki echo bagwisaransa bagocha bakanyora umunisi atima neta yakobeka negoti nabo bagochenje ngara lakini baracha safe space
safe haven.
A safe haven.
Thank you because of that. Nga kiro montago cha kurugaiga wakando jigari ense negas.
Incoming voice call from 0725-953020.
And that sonje kuranya Kongo. Jofre Nyantika.
Incoming voice call 072.
Thank you. Gatu wange karanga Gatembe.
Yayambu tokera. Mwana ngajaba na bwana ko batevya iga. Maswali tayari tukuburia abana abo bakotosomya abo. Ama ene ndetimbu atyo mwana na abatukorombwa ate. Omwana gata kibete kikobora nko muhaga iga maguta nko matwa menyete. Omwana kugenda tele muno abana bakwana nga yakugenda nyone mwana abaguyore sema abwasora abugya abwawe kata oyo kore dokya.
Ojia.
Nasamu sese yani enderazo mi abana twangire kwa abana kibese nasatu abere mukate. Tigato abana kibese natisa nakibuna abana abese especially.
Yes.
Munate badote abana abese kebara kwa ndacinjera abanyora basacho baba kibese amaguta amaya. Lakini obaremera umbore cinka abayibari na ntuga giteto teme gwe kumenya na cyabana bayito bako babana mbaji go cyane. Abana bana nasaba sese ni unambari gera ndiga koraiga karo mongina kadogo iga bana basaye bari be university mugyo bakoyoro nasaba seseriye mogendera igora ne mukore igora ne maswami kara abantu bamanya bana bana tumene matokore ndabana bayito
yabona gatobera abo chikurugabo abo terera mbiyari buna kwanda kurugabo kero muntu buna toba ta kuruga mkate ni onchoka Nyaituma Kurana Kuru. Say hi to my daddy Nyaituma Mapoa. And then Ali Tabanga 001 from Suneka Shoiko Fine. And then mnaonekana poa ni Elder from Nyanchwa na ngoja wimbo wa Moramo. I'll do that. And then Victor, hello Victor Mogeni, my son. Okay, one Emmanuel Ngonche. Kurwa Masinde Muriro University kana kurugabo classmate kia na rulio chora twe koba chancellor ya cooperative Bernard Chitunga Molisia kana kurugabo with that. Now baba nae wono Naomi kuru waseta form 3 form 4 unagwachire kanisa monto monginondo chire kurgal kurudorkas ochiro gote bono kwabire nyarukenan bono ndo chwa chakire ko bomukungu ago kwana ngabono go chakurugaiga monto kwandaiga ohingo ko ngainare ondonya go kwana
sana cyane Sabina ngungwani rabare fante Naomi tote twende nchireye toche busira ntote tiobe buna beske bandiga bono na inchege ndongo kora bono kuba igwera na abwati nari na inche ntache busira ngenderere mutubia.
Okay. Ai kuruwesa kwa igetiga bono rigwa chatire press ya konyore guchiga. I don't canyon kwa fall into that trap. Unonya gukwana kurwe kanisanga. This is the way to go. Chiba sanko barachire but bono mukati kagocha anche. Ekana kurukaiga kyo koyan maiki ngwetenga ona gwikotumeke. Ona matana bachibwate tumeke. Unaongea hivi ukiwa
according to church mimi kanisani hakuna mwenye aliniongelesha but mwenye aliniongelesha there is one lady by that time alikuwa amefanya harusi to that church but she quitted coming to that church aliniongelesha akaniambia it's not easy but jaribu na Mungu atafanya nini atakusaidia. The most important person mwenye alifanya kazi nzuri sana kwa maisha is my mom. My mom was not ever ashamed of anything. Hata kama ni mambo na boyfriend, hata kama ni nini, ananikalisha chini, ananiambia iko hivi na hivi na hivi na hivi na hivi. So I was not shy. Kumwambia anything I could be feeling ningemwambia.
So the church has not done Gentomniku. Molisi. Why would they've done their part? I have heard that. Ikanisa. Is there anybody uchire kuru kanisa? Turatiga ogotebiringa ikiga ya. Nima tubona ngo chaka bro gote ngocho nyuam. Igi achakire gocha bot. Lakini nondena ara gote ngo ikagaiga mukungu na hategete yanga. Na lieta dina kugwana. Mna kwa ndego atakiri kurut na atakiri mwana atakiri, is there anybody who kwanire ku prepare now for marriage because miaka yao
ngwa kere kanisa ngabia mono, especially the Adventist Church ngo organize ebintu bikorenga ko egeria basae like prayer band whereby we are taught such things. When they go make decisions, especially for a marriage partner, go preparing their duties which are perform when you will become a husband or monto.
Okay.
So the church has done it, but then sometimes young people care to go to bintu nebiga ngoli tole the world mono naki mono kere tabumbire bigo somanga ekere tu achitu goligererie kanisa tu anyorte ense yabwatire kanisa mono kubwe kanisa kubwate kanisa.
Yes.
Yani kanisa yabwatire ense mono kubwate kanisa. Yani in short one kanisa chikanisa chinyinge mono chiaso irase ense. You find that when the church speaks, youths bakoranga bako ba judged. Trote umusa ngato ngakitereka oino muntu high school. Ngakitereka bantu gutwara boyfriend. Inomo orisio chokukwanira. Ngakitereka gutwara boyfriend. This young person akolire morisio bino muntu le judgment, umuntu tamwanchetie. I think the church make a decision on organizing some things. When prayer bands, seminars for youths, na rolling kansanko a step make it. Thank you.
My brother Victor, are you prepared to get your mama someone? How old are you?
Nilizaliwa 23.
On 22. Born I bad. You have some.
I'm still very young.
You are not young. You are not very young. Let me ask you. Are you preparing to bring your mama Nakulindega or Chomoletere Dorothy, Chomoletere Naomi, Chomoletere Kadugo? Are you prepared for that?
You see, for a man, obviously, a normal man, lazima ukuwa umepiga hesabu, lazima nitaoa. A normal man.
Oh, yes.
Kuna hiyo ingine, but a normal man thinks that way.
They have 40 years to come.
It must happen. That is a must. But again, the economy as we are at, lazima upige hesabu. Lazima ujiulize, huyu mtu ninamleta. Atakuja akule mawe.
Okay.
Ama atalishwa na wazazi tena, which is very wrong. For me, I feel like kivyangu, I'd want to go there wakati sasa niko sure hata nikianza hiki kitu sitateseka. Ni ile unajua, akiomba pesa namwambia chukua tu, akiomba sapa iko si ile itakuwa ni tena nianze kujipea pressure. You know, for the boy child pressure, you understand, men don't speak out. Actually, sorry, I have to say this. This world, especially in our society peke yake, society assumes men are strong.
Okay.
Ina assume.
Okay.
But truth to be told, hata sasa nikianza kuchunguza mkate unafikiria nini? Trust to me, men are going through a lot.
Oh, yes.
Ni ile hawaongei.
Waongelesha tu hapo one on one. You know, na
Maybe I'm speaking as a man, and I'll tell you the truth. Most men out here smile a lot. Ni wale tunacheka, we are very happy tukionekana. But pale usiku wakati tuko peke yetu tunajiuliza, inatupeleka wapi? And that is life.
Oh, yes.
As a youth, mimi the girl child, I associate with girls na I understand pia wako na issues, but for men, atafadhali society, wacha kuassume wanaume. Wacha kuassume wanaume. In as much as you are advocating for the ladies,
yes,
remember men too. Wakumbuke pia.
Your final word. What do you think is the youth? Does the youth nabwateli baga yugukwana asekanisa na ireli baga ligelio watebanga like he can decision make for the church?
That is a very serious topic because I've been part of church for a while.
Yes.
Na nimekuwa kiongozi at a point. I'm sorry to say this.
No, dero go tuacha ekora ga no turatebe. Umwana umusaye nabwo tiri bagaje batangana ki liba tuko gachika nserega. Turaratiga tubekiga like now speak it. Tari can say yes the yoke. Any church no nye pefa deliverance. Any
I'll talk of a church I'm part of, SDA.
Good.
This is to the elders. A message to the elders. Please learn to accept change is coming.
Yes.
Vijana pia wana nguvu. You see, don't just expect the way you want it to be itakuwa hivyo. These youths, actually, you might be surprised if you sit down with them, muonge. They have better ideas.
Oh, yes.
Na pia nile mtawa advice kidogo, because youths again, there are things they might not understand.
Yeah.
But if you allow them to do something, they'll do their best.
So elders sit with the youth.
Wakae chini waonge, waelewane.
Thank you.
Disagree to agree.
Thank you. Karo, now, do you think umwana umusaye bina yabona umunyaruka no gwateri pagora ateba nga Giante? By the way, Giante is, let me tell you about that church. Is a church ga kale metema Peter. I tell you, kanisa bijengwa smart.
All right.
Aye, asilda nyamwe elda nyamwe el first church elda nyamwe no yoga benyanjo.
All right.
Elida nyamwe.
Yeah.
Bosi yo kanisa imejengwa smart. Imetei. Ai, imejengwa. Bosi wamejenga karabu wameka hata katail zao. I tell you. Nubwo atari bagayo gateba ngabono iba mukubeke tangiye mubeke matari tigebe kuru gaiga agara macha egano na ndu bagweta agwana gano ndio jo victimize nje nika hizo mlicho manana response
unaweza ogopa kuambia hivi wanaweza kataa juu na vao kora enomoke ba ukuyu bono iki oranya ari gokoba gokora ogotebia omuntu uri yange muno na wa elders
lakini ya one on one tubwati
okay tukunyara
thank you elder uni church clerk wetu hivi and those about amangana okwane and then ma ukoraga
okay
yeah
nda kwana tunta banga ekanisa ni what the youth need the church, yani abasaye mbata kere ko beraria ekanisa ime na boy goni kanisa nero nega nitibandu kiaba abasaye.
Yes.
Ekanisa etabwa tibasaye ntigantu mieli etalia abasaye bagutumikere boy. Ekanisa etabwa tibasaye tebwa tinguru kera abasaye na bugendo keki na buchinguru. Ntebenga ekanisa nena ntelibaga asabasaye in terms of decision making, in terms of leadership. Ekubwatinga the leadership that is in place na kiwe implement again take. Kera from where I sit, it's about nero yabasaye. Abasaye aba, they are also part and parcel ekrabara ibago chorwa na barabumba bwate gento kieki. They have a say yagotana moraige takore gento ki achorwe asamangana yokora ekanisa.
Yes.
So the church nana ne tugo sibole asabasaye. Uborai bororo bo implementing abasaye abatuke kanisa kyara, it is the only safe haven. Yabasaye nane no ro abasaye bakonyara go thrive. Ekanisa nere manye kubwate etwara activities chiwato munso uchesa basaye.
Yes.
There are churches that you can go onyorenga the percentage of youth yarororo omuntu ole youth ga wale 50 years
okwane kana mo
usaka ba 40 ibaka nanga unechipa
bachel.
There are churches karogwa chiroro. The population of the youth is so high, and the senior citizens, ebaraba abake. There are activities chiroro, chire enticing to the youth.
Yeah.
If the youth do not find these activities in church, they will look for them somewhere else.
Okay.
And that space is not safe as almost which those activities. So, as a church leadership levels chirea ya kumbwa, chiabalisi na abapasta na kwanda. bishops and such, try and make a conducive environment for the youth in church because it is the safer way.
Wow. I think I love this. Ngakirumuntu nabwate nsema yae. Mumurandi atarachi kocha. What is your take? Is church free? This word inaboli. Karangali kiongeleki.
To me I can say according na venye wamesema, wacha niongezee, most of the elders are really making youth to run out of the church.
Oh, yes.
Me, I have experience of that. Can you imagine you are telling a youth that you are a sinner, don't come and stand in front of the church? How will you make them, all of them, to feel that church? They just run away out of them. So what I can say to our elders, you are our spirit ones up there. Just if you have something concerning the youth, just come, sit down with us, talk with us, listen to our ideas, advise us, so that tusaidiane to go on a good track, and it will give youth humble time, more of them to be at the church where it's a safe place for us to be.
Amen. Thank you. Rango tarach kugenda kutoka. Obwatera ni yeki.
Ndeze kubwatera ni kyata.
Yeah.
Ukwani ligoro yo Malaysia. I want to tell the youth this. Bali gereti Getembe television right now. Bararena church is not a safe place.
Oh yes.
Nada ko banyoliga. Ekanisa ni sanctuary. Ekanisa ni nyagitari yabarwaire bebibe.
Okay.
Timende ko sendu iwana. N'abantu bali bonse bawoje kanisa barwarete urwire bokoro kugendo keke ebibe paka balisi n'abantu mbandoki abarwaire ngora onye if you have had any experience yako kagende ward kwesinya gitari ukabekwe ward abuko bekwe ward rikwabeku ige baro na goisire uko bara kobeke wo ward
azaba konyora bwango bakomenderio
banyakomenderio kwarwali kwabanga umuntu mwaho cyagoswa itukulia gatatu kero kumulira lya sura ile yego rwa na moyo kawe kamambi you are not supposed to say that. The same hope kwabwa tabunanko bwanole. Okay, you know I'm talking to the elders.
Yes.
The same hope that you have about yourself and your family and your children of getting to heaven should also be dispensed. Ya somo sayo chire kanisa oyoroje stel ya go chagali chituki chiri ngenjaji begete mara go sene jini sia begete yire raget na raja na kanisa tuaro go semelia nganga ki na rengo korari gento kieke ngakana chenji ache abuye kanae kwa beire gai yake. So also the youth karomo kolire ya balisia tali Yesu umenya gitali monene kanisa imeye.
Yes.
Fix your eyes on Jesus.
Amen.
Don't fix it on the elders.
Oh, yes.
Abali ni chinyapara chia Yesu. Baroro rengo bari instructions. Na bara abemba bwati. Tali kero muntu kubwati instructions. Ngoyamo.
Karo koroge simiti soto omachanga chige babe ka 15. Karo tokanda kurugabo. Thank you ndo chumurandi itekirega in a short while korengana na ocha go kobera kurugabo nga. Ole wako ewe mwanadamu umtegemeaye mwanadamu. Jeremiah chapter number 17 verse 5. Mwaka. Ngorega mna togo cha karo marandi achire your last words. What do you think? The last word kartokora tosabe tara macho watero kama
incoming voice call from 0725953020.
And it is in the house.
I can say that a dialogue vijana wako na mambo mazuri wanaweza yafanya na pia wanaweza fanya pia mabaya but if we engage in dialogue na barabo with the good ideas which they have with the energy babwate they can do great things to the church and even to the country. And you can see even to even in our country some were good and most of those good things were done by the young people. So enche kanisa na bego to make these young people okare mere menene mono me have a testimony of great things young people have done. And if we engage in dialogue with them to karansa na barabo we talk, that is when abasa ebara erorengamba bwatri bagano onye kanisa especially some sorry mo aboliri abo abalisia let us sit with the young people, the youth. Not only elders, pastors, we sit with the youth. The church leaders, we sit with the youth. They have great ideas to create activities. In fact, the youths, even in the university, we have online things we can share. They to consult even with the ministries. To educate as young people, even to as young people. Elinde nto chapara gusabira chibesa abaisi kemba so taunia ko ni mebere yabo to kuba kazi yaranga mo ni mebere yeno ko beka chiminiskat patabu atikende muko they don't have anything in the pocket. We can engage professionals by our young people, our girls, even to barakore in terms of bringing something to their pocket. Abora nyorenga to abu even tebinge instead of judging the young people. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It's been wonderful having you here, and we hope that every day tabatoka ber kurgaiga kuru mano mokepi paka the senior most, that is me. We'll be having these discussions again and again and again. Otu yangu kwa ndu mano mosai ase kanisa. We didn't say ngane nesdi etu akwana to akwana nga umwana ase kanisa. Like next go to kwana, what are the projects? In fact, I want to tell you nga Nyanchwa is one of the they have done few things which have made abantu undergotten. We by bande batin in it's because they were in a group of other youth. Agara ekanisa bono iga itinini nane segi akabere igego tenasing chumano bwemyaka 12 nyaruka okoruko the Smith ngarugo cha nero kogere segi akabere kwera ni mate bintu bine mbiri bigoje byagoeta, but that is the thing. Mwaka obwe bonaga mwaka bwiribu mwaka emye ya mone 15 nebere kurugasa otenyo akwete aba tumotu. It's being commemorated today yakana kurugaba manganamna yakoganda na ngati yari to kwariganiri ase chinsa isano na ibere ekionga e weekend toskanonya olia gakoro kwa Victor Mogeni oyakoro kwa Naomi Ndieki Omanyi, sorry, and then my brother Atima David na
Mogasi Peter
abonsi na abana bawuchikanisa babwata bya ndocenga abantu bali bechitai bachire bali mwatenga gocha kubangana kiakawa. Like we wanted thank you so much. Doro, I'm proud of you. Naomi, I'm proud of you. Kero Montonga, at least you gave the parents. Victor, that was nice, brother and brother. It was that good nga. Ntua manyanga abana baiga what happens. Wono kerabana bauche goche koruka. You will start knowing umwanoyo mboge maki boli akarataki amenyete alia siskuru. What are the pressures? Chikomo face kurugabu. Ayu kianda ikomine ketotenga bera gaiga egere tunyari kugenda igo twakora nsema ya kabiri ne ya gatatu ne ya kane totagete totole atangana ki totueke egepindi kende gya gatatu kya kane ekeroto gotora ekekurugaiga whatever gorgari unabagira ngo wetu whatever yani omente whatever nga otueke and then otole. I love the way Roger siako yewe kurugaiga tigatotole ekepindi ekekya basare kanisa totueke amarandi nyasaye tata agosiseni. Thank you elder.
Tuombe. Our loving Father in heaven, we thank you so much for you being with us the entire time. We give you praise and honor for your love and mercies in any kind of way that we have gone against your will. Good Lord, forgive us. We pray for everyone who is seated here. We pray for our viewer. We pray that all this that we have spoken about, we might be able to implement them and they might be of positive impact into our lives. This we pray in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.